On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix Snapchat camera full screen. So if you wanna make your camera full screen on Snapchat, keep watching. First thing or the first way is go to the settings and then go to the apps manager, go to Snapchat and then go to the storage right here, click on clear cache, go back, click on force stop. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and click on update right here as you can see. And the third way and the last one is you have to go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for a few seconds and disable it. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.